Alright guys, working back on the 89 Corvette here. Just going to throw out a video here on the how to adjust your TPS unit, your throttle position sensor unit. I know the 85 through 89s are adjustable. I'm not sure about the 90 and 91 tune ports. I'm thinking pretty sure the 91 is not adjustable. I'm not sure about the 1990 Corvette Camaro's Trans Ams with the 350 tune port and the 305 tune port motors. I'm not sure if those are adjustable or not. I do know the 85 through 89s are adjustable, and your stock setting on those guys on your voltmeter here should be at 0.5. It should be 0.54 volts would be your stock setting. Some guys run them a little bit more. You know, you can set it like I used to run mine at between 0.56 and 0.58. Usually set it around 0.58, but I'm going to set this one back to the stock factory setting, which is 0.54. And you want to set that, guys. So what you want to do, guys, what I got is one of these adapters here, so you can adjust it. It's got this pigtail coming off here. You can kind of make your own. I've seen guys you know, put wires in here and do it themselves, you know, make their own, but it's so much easier, guys, if you purchase one of these here. Test kits or wire test unit or whatever you want to call it for your throttle position sensor. I do believe I bought this off of used to be called Mid-America out of Effingham, Illinois. Corvette. He sells a lot of Corvette aftermarket parts and stuff. Mike Yeager out of Effingham, Illinois. I think he changed the name to Mid Motor Works or Mid Motor Works or something like that, but it used to be called Mid-America. And I think also you can get these off of Heckler's or maybe Zip or one of those Corvette that sells a lot of aftermarket C4 or, you know, Corvette stuff. And you may be able to get them off, may be able to get it off of Amazon or eBay or something like that. But these here make it so much easier to do, because you got your pigtail, everything there that you need to adjust your throttle position sensor, guys. And what you want to do, go ahead and have your ignition shut off, and just unplug that, guys. And I'll see if I can do this here with one hand. And then take this connector here, guys, and you just plug it in there, right there. And take your other lead here coming off your engine harness here. Let me set you down there, guys. I'm going to set you down here for a minute to get that plugged in. You just simply plug that in like that, guys. And then, you know, you got your pigtail coming off here, your wires for your positive and negative here like that. I got my voltmeter setting at the 20 range on the DC volts on the voltmeter. And then go over here and we'll turn the ignition on. You want to turn your ignition on. You don't start it. You don't need to start it, guys. Just all you gotta do is turn the key on. That will activate your throttle position sensor right there, guys. And right now that's where I got that setting at, 0.54. And what it takes is a T25 Torx. You loosen these up and you just move that around, guys, until you get you know, between 0.54 and 0.58. If you want to run it a little bit higher than that, you can. Basically all it is telling the computer that your throttle is, you know, if you run it at 0.58, it's going to tell the your computer that your throttle's opened up just a little bit farther, which I don't really know. I mean, it's supposed to give you a little better throttle response or something, but I really didn't tell much difference between 0.54 and 0.58. And you want to adjust that, guys, so you can get the, when you have your throttle wide open, because that's a 5 volt unit, that throttle position sensor. But the best I could ever get out of one of them was about 4.5, 4.6, and the best I can do on this one's a 4.48. Moved it around a lot, and that seemed like the best that I could get it set at the 0.54 setting. So, and then once you get that set, guys, you just tighten back down your Torx bits there, and like I said, you just move that around until you get, you know, 0.54 to 0.58, wherever you want to set it at. I wouldn't go much more than 0.59, or probably wouldn't go much more than 0.58, really, tell you the truth. But I used to run it at 0.58. I'm setting everything back to the factory specs on this one. So we got her set the best I could at the wide open throttle, which was 4.48, which was almost 4.5 volts. Like I said, these throttle position sensors are a 5 volt deal. You should be getting, you know, I'd like to see a little bit more than that at wide open throttle, but that's the best I could get this one adjusted to on this particular car here. So, and then once you get that set, guys, like I said, tighten your Torx back up, and then go in there, turn your ignition back off. You want to make sure you turn your key switch back off when you unplug this, and take this this tester plug out. You want to take that out and put your plug back in there, guys. Make sure you have your ignition shut off. And that's about it, guys. That's basically how you do that. Like I said, it's really nice to have this here piece to find one of these throttle position testing wire harnesses here. Makes it a whole lot simpler. I've seen other guys, I think there's other guys that, you know, they try to hook some wires into that, your stock plug there, coming off your wire harness, and it's just kind of a pain in the butt doing that. If you can find one of these, it makes the job a whole lot simpler, guys, to set your throttle position sensor on that. So anyways, guys, I thought I'd throw that video out there on some people working on these tune port motors. Pretty sure that 0.54 is the standard, the factory setting on the 305s and the 350 tune port motors. 85 through, I know 85 through 89, because this is an 89 here. Not sure on your 90s. Your 91s, I know them are non-adjustable. I'm not too sure on the 90. I'm thinking maybe the 90 might not be adjustable either. They're they're preset, so you can't adjust them here. So on the 91s, I know for sure. I'm not sure about the 90s though. So anyways, guys, that'll wrap this video up on how to adjust your TPS unit, which is the throttle position sensor, guys.